Welcome everyone to the next lecture of the series. This lecture is dedicated to the discussion of the topic CLM, that is the channel length modulation. Now, what is a channel? Let's see. This diagram is showing only the two terminals of the MOSFET, that is the source and the drain. We discussed in the earlier lectures also, whenever there is a conduction between the source and the drain, a current will flow through this part. And this part is known as a channel. A channel is formed. That means more and more electrons are attracted here. When excess of electrons is available here, these contribute to the conduction process, and this is known as the channel. Now, our topic of discussion is the channel length modulation. That means there is a change in the length of the channel. Now, when will this change of length occur? There will be two conditions when the distance between the source and drain will be very less. That is known as the short channel effect. Some results are shown whenever the length of the channel is very small. That is, the source and drain terminals are at a very small distance to each other. Now, the second thing which is to be considered here is the drain voltage. We will also apply a very high drain voltage, then this effect will be coming into play. Now, how this shortening of length occurs, I'll draw it here by a dotted line now. So earlier your channel was like this and now it becomes like this. If you keep on increasing this drain voltage, then this channel keeps on shifting like this. So effectively now the length is this much, that is L dash. Earlier it was this much, that is capital L. So you can clearly see that the length of the channel is decreasing as the drain voltage we are going on increasing. So let's see the definition. Channel length modulation is basically the shortening of the length of the inverted channel region with increase in drain bias for large drain biases. Okay. Now, in this is to be noted that by increasing the drain bias only, this channel length modulation is occurring. Once this was asked in the GATE exam. Now, what are the results of this body effect? Let's see. First thing is, it will lead to a reduction in the output resistance. The output resistance of the MOS circuit will decrease. Now, what is the reason for this decrease? The length of the channel is decreasing, and you know, R is basically rho L upon A. So if the length is decreasing, the resistance is also decreasing. This was also asked once in the GATE exam. Important. And next thing, the drain current will increase as you keep on increasing the drain bias or drain voltage. So the two effects which are coming into play due to the channel length modulation are the effect on the output resistance and the drain current. Lastly, there is another name for this. It is the early effect for MOSFETs. So early effect for MOSFETs is nothing but the channel length modulation. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.